Hi guys, it's Rubes Q, and today I will be showing you how to make slime very ooey and gooey. And it could smell like mint, and you could put food coloring, but I won't be doing that because I don't have the materials yet, but I'll be showing you how to make normal slime. So let's get started. First, you will need some ooey gooey school glue to start your slime, and also you'll need some contact solution also, and you'll be needing shaving cream with that too. I'm gonna try using this to see if it will work. It's bath foam, and let's start making our slime. First things first, so I am going to be putting my glue first. Big blob in there. Okay. There you go. And now I will be putting my contact solution. Just put a few drops. We'll be putting a lot. Well, that's what I put. I put a lot. And now it's time for our shaving cream. Let's see. Now time to mix. Ew, it's getting this texture. Yuck. See, I got it on my Ew. Okay, so now it's making that little shape of slime. Ew. Okay, so now you just want to keep on playing with it until it doesn't get that sticky anymore. Okay, just keep on playing with it and I'll be right back. Okay, so hi guys, now I'm back, and it seemed like I put contact solution. Seemed to do the trick really, and it seemed pretty good now. It's really nice, gives that nice texture. It's really slimy and gooey. And yeah, that's how you make slime. If you want, if it does not work really, you might want to put some more like contact solution to give it a better texture, like you just how do I say? You just put like more contact solution. Seems like it got too liquidy or something. Then try putting more glue and more of everything. And if it didn't, it just turned into a blob. It seems like you might be using a different type of glue. If you're using Mod Podge, I don't think it will work and stuff like that. But if you put Elmer's glue, it will work definitely. And if it doesn't, that's just a problem. The glue probably has something in it. So thank you for watching, guys. And if you want, you can hit the like button and please subscribe. Thank you.